A very good morning to all dear students. From today, we are going to start with the practical calculations of your unit number 1, that is operating costing of hotels, hospital and theatre. As far as the practical calculations are there, you need to calculate the practical sums of only 3 services, that is hotel, hospital and theatre. First, we will start with the sums regarding the hotels. Now, for that, as you know, the cost per unit in case of hotel is per room day. That means you want to find out that per day charges of any single room. Now, for that you need to apply only one formula, that is total room days. હોટેલ સર્વિસનો કોઈ પણ ક્વેશ્ચન હોય તમારે આ એક જ ફોર્મ્યુલા અપ્લાય કરવાની રહેશે, દેટ ઇઝ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ટોટલ રૂમ ડેઝ. ધ ફોર્મ્યુલા ઇઝ નંબર ઓફ રૂમ્સ મલ્ટીપ્લાય ઓક્યુપન્સી રેટ મલ્ટીપ્લાય નંબર ઓફ ડેઝ ઇન અ મંથ મલ્ટીપ્લાય નંબર ઓફ મંથ્સ ઇન અ યર. Okay, now let us start with the calculation, but before that in your book you need to write down the meaning, examples of operating costing, cost unit table, list of formula and format to find out the hotel operating cost. After writing this, now give the title hotels and start with the question number 1. Now let us start. Question number 1. Shantinivas Hotel has a capacity of 200 single rooms and 40 double rooms. The average occupancy of both single and double is expected to be 70% throughout the year of 365 days. એક હોટેલ છે જેમની કેપેસિટી છે 200 સિંગલ રૂમ્સની અને 40 છે ડબલ રૂમ્સ, અને બંને થ્રુ આઉટ ધ યર 70% છે ઓક્યુપાઈડ હોય છે થ્રુ આઉટ ધ યર ઓફ 365 days. The rent for a double room has been fixed at 125% of the rent of a single room. Here one condition is given, that is double room નું rent છે એ single room ના rent કરતાં 125% છે વધુ છે. Suppose here we can assume the single room rent equals to 100 rupees. So double room rent will be 125%, so 125 rupees. The expenses are as under. Variable expenses, single rooms 440 rupees each per day. That means એક સિંગલ રૂમના એક દિવસના વેરિયેબલ એક્સપેન્સીસ છે 440 rupees. For double rooms 700 rupees each per day. That means એક દિવસના એક ડબલ રૂમના વેરિયેબલ એક્સપેન્સ છે 700 rupees. Same way, fixed expenses for single rooms are 150 rupees each per day, and for double rooms 220 rupees each per day. Only two type of expenses are given, variable and fixed. Compute the rent chargeable for single and double rooms per day. Here what you are supposed to find out, તમારે find out શું કરવાનું છે, એક સિંગલ રૂમ હોય કે એક ડબલ રૂમ, એમના એક દિવસનું રેન્ટ તમે કસ્ટમર પાસેથી કેટલું ચાર્જ કરો છો. In such a way that the hotel earns a margin of safety. Students must remember, margin of safety means profit. Profit of 25% on higher of rooms. Higher means income. You need to calculate the profit of 25% on income. Income na 25% profit. Now let us start with the calculation. For the calculation purpose, always in any sum of operating costing, in first page you will draw the format of operating cost sheet. Give the title Shantinivas Hotel operating cost sheet. As you know, two columns are there, particulars and second one is for the rupees. And in a second page you need to give the title working notes. In working notes, always first working note will be, in case of hotel, is total room days. Now we will start. Is in case of this question, two type of rooms are given, single room and double room. Now number 1, we will calculate one by one. Single room, and for double room. in case of single room, number of rooms given in a question are 200. 200 rooms multiply occupancy rate given in a question is 70% multiply number of days in a year. તમને આખા વર્ષના દિવસો આપેલા છે, સો 365 days. Now calculate this. 200 rooms multiply 70% multiply 365. So your answer will be 51,100 room days in case of single room. Now second one for double rooms. Number of double rooms are 40 multiply occupancy rate 70%. It will same in both the sum, right? Next 365 days. Calculate this. 40 rooms into 70% multiply 365, that is 10,220 room days. Now make a total of this two. આ બંનેનો ટોટલ કરો. Total room days equals to 10,220 plus 51,100. Total 61,320 room days. Now we will record the expenses one by one. Two type of expenses are given and variable expenses for each room is different. Now we will calculate as a part of your working note. Give the second title, total variable expenses. Different in both type of room, single rooms. The variable expenses are given in a question is 440 rupees. Multiply room days 51,100 single room days, because the charges are given in a question each per day. That means એક દિવસના એક રૂમના ચાર્જીસ છે. So here we are multiplying this with the single room days. Now multiply this. 440 multiply 51,100. So your answer will be 2,24,84,000. Now the next one is double rooms. In case of double rooms, charges are 700 rupees. Multiply single room days are 10,220. Calculate this. 10,220 multiply 700 rupees. So the answer will be 71,54,000 rupees. Now make a total of this two. Total variable expenses equals to the total of this two will be 2,96,38,000 rupees. Now same way we will calculate the fixed expenses, that is total fixed expenses. For single rooms and for double rooms. For single room, the fixed expenses are 150 rupees each per day. Multiply single room days 51,100. So your answer 150 multiply 51,100, 76,65,000. Same way in case of double rooms, the charges are 220 rupees. Multiply double room days 10,220. Your answer 220 multiply 10,220. 22,48,400. So total fixed expenses are, add this to 99,13,400. I hope you are clear with this calculation. Now record both type of expenses in your statement. First we will record variable expenses, and second we will record the fixed expenses. Variable expenses are 2,96,38,000 and fixed expenses are 99,13,400. Here other expenses are not given, so add this too and you will get the total cost of the hotel. Now add this too. So your total cost will be 3,95,51,400. Now here we add the profit margin and at last we will get the total rent oblique income. Now in a question the condition is given that you need to calculate the profit on income. Now તમારી પાસે ઇન્કમ અત્યારે અવેલેબલ છે નહીં, તો એના ઉપર તમે પ્રોફિટ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી શકો નહીં. 25% profit on income is given. For that, last year I have given you one table for the percentage of profit on income and for the percentage of profit on cost. When 20% profit on income, at that time 25% profit on cost. Now remember this table for further calculations. In this question 25% profit on income is given, so we will calculate this as 33/1/3% profit on cost. If you do not remember this table, આ જો table તમને યાદ ન હોય તો in that case you need to assume 100 and accordingly calculate the profit afterwards. તો પછી તમારે 100 assume કરીને calculations છે કરવાના રહેશે. Here 25% profit on income, so on cost 33/1/3% on cost. Now we will calculate this. Now you know when you need to calculate the profit at 33/1/3%, at that time from total cost directly divide by 3 and the profit will be 1,31,83,800. So your total income, add the profit in your total cost. Your total income will be 5,27,35,200. Now here is your answer, but આ છે તમને ટોટલ રેન્ટ મળે છે, હજુ તમને પર ડે પર રૂમનું રેન્ટ છે રિસીવ થયેલ નથી. ફોર દેટ you need to do more calculations, right? Give the next heading, that is working note number 4, to find out weighted room days. Now first of all understand what is weighted room days. Weighted room days means here in this question one condition is given, one type of weight is given કે ડબલ રૂમનું રેન્ટ છે એ સિંગલ રૂમના રેન્ટ કરતાં 125% વધુ છે. દેટ મીન્સ અહીંયા તમને એક પ્રકારનું વેઇટ છે અસાઇન કરે છે. સો હિયર વી આર અઝ્યુમિંગ that in case of single rooms and in case of double rooms, in case of single rooms the total room days are 51,100 room days, and in case of double rooms the room days are 10,220. Now multiply single room, here we are assuming 100%. તો ડબલ રૂમનું રેન્ટ એમનાથી 125% વધુ છે. સો ઇન કેસ ઓફ ડબલ રૂમ વી આર મલ્ટીપ્લાઇંગ ધીસ બાય 125%. બંનેને તમે વેઇટ અસાઇન કરો છો. Now calculate this. Again it will come 51,100 in case of single room, and in case of double room 10,220 multiply 125%. Here it comes 12,775. So our total weighted room days are at this two amount 63,875. જ્યારે તમને વેઇટ અસાઇન કરેલ હોય at that time you need to calculate this, that is to find out weighted room days. Now our next calculation is we want to find out the per room rent. તમારે એક રૂમનું એક દિવસનું રેન્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. સો રેન્ટ પર ડે પર રૂમ, એક દિવસના એક રૂમનું રેન્ટ. ધ ફોર્મ્યુલા ઇઝ ટોટલ રેન્ટ ડિવાઈડ બાય ટોટલ વેઇટેડ રૂમ days. From the statement you will get the amount of total rent, that is 5,27,35,200, and weighted room days are 63,875 weighted room days. Now divide this. Your answer will be 825.6 rupees rent per room day. એક દિવસનું એક રૂમનું રેન્ટ. બટ here you are not getting the idea whether it is a rent for a single room or for a double room. તમને એ નથી આઈડિયા કે આ સિંગલ રૂમનું રેન્ટ છે કે ડબલ રૂમનું. For that the last calculation is for single room rent સિંગલ રૂમનું રેન્ટ તમારા માટે થશે 825.6 rupees multiply the weight was 100%, and for double room rent per day rent is 825.6 rupees multiply the weight is assigned 125%. Now calculate this. 825.6 multiply 100%, so it will remain the same, that is 825.6 rupees. But in case of double room multiply it with 125%, it will come 1032 rupees. Now you are understand that for single room you are charging the rent per day 825.6 rupees. But for double room, you are charging the rent per day 1032 rupees. So this is your final answer. Now again, students must pay attention. First, draw the statement. In second page, give the title, working notes. Then after, always first time calculate the total room days for each type of room, that is for single and double room. Then after, calculate the expenses, that is variable and fixed expenses. Now record these expenses in your statement and make a total, add the profit margin and find out the total rent or income. Now here the weight is given, so we will calculate the weighted room days. Next, find out the rent per room day, and the formula is તમારી પાસે total rent છે, divide કરો છો weighted room days થી, so you will get the rent per room day, and find out for single room and double room separately. So it will be your final answer. I hope you are clear with this sum. Write down the sum in your book. So here with this we are concluding the session of today. Thank you very much and have a good day.